So today with me Anand is here. So Anand, please give a brief introduction.
Myself Anand from Central University Haryana. I'm just doing right now Bachelor in Vocation Retail and Logistics Management. It's just a part of management also.
Okay, so that's nice, Anand. Nice to meet you.
Nice.
So Anand, tell me, right now you are doing BVOC, I think.
Okay.
So it's coming under business.
Yeah, it's coming under management.
Management. Okay, that's nice.
Okay.
So tell me one thing. Nowadays, which is best, which is good, means a skill or degree.
Okay.
So you have to define me. What's the difference between skill and degree?
Okay. I will define it concisely. See what happens, and you tell me job versus business.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose skill, degree versus skill.
Skill,
Okay. Yeah. See what happens if you talk about degree. Most of the students are running behind degree. Okay,
yes,
just complete a degree through any university and just waiting for the job.
Waiting for the job, correct.
Okay. See, but in skill, you don't have to wait for job. You just have already skills,
Okay.
then you can go anywhere and just do a job. Okay, so there is no need to worry about your secure life or anything like that. You just have a skill, you can do even your own business.
On business, correct, very correct.
Okay.
So, but one thing is there. But nowadays, why students are not conscious about the skill? The most of the traditional,
Okay.
you know, right now the traditional education system is going on.
Yeah,
So due to that, we are not taught with the skills.
Yeah.
The teachers are teaching us how to secure good marks in our exam.
Yeah.
They are not teaching us any specific
Okay.
skill. So, what's your opinion on that?
See, actually this problem is not totally related with students. I will say there is a historical examples we have on it. See what happens. We live in 21st century, okay? And our parents was living in 20th century, okay?
Okay.
He told us to go and grab a good marks, secure good marks, and secure a high frequency lifestyle, okay?
Okay.
So what happens? Then high quality lifestyle and without without any tension, we have to secure good marks in exam.
Okay.
So that every student is running behind great marks, good marks, score grades, all of that.
Okay, so just face to camera.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me one thing.
Yeah.
So nowadays, yeah, it's true. Without skill, we cannot do
We
anything.
cannot do anything.
So the only degree is not sufficient for us to build a career,
Yeah,
to
build a
give
career.
us secure money or to give a secure future.
Yeah.
So if you want to be a teacher,
Okay.
if you want to be our education minister of India,
Yeah.
then what will be your plan to
Okay.
change the education?
See, my plan will be different category wise. See, there are a lot of students from arts background, there are a lot of students from science background, there are a lot of students from commerce background. Every background is needed to surplus our society, surplus our systems. Everything is needed. Okay. See what happens whenever arts students come to our classes. No one, everyone is degrading the value of arts. Okay.
Yeah, okay, that's the point. Yeah, because nowadays, so many parents,
Yeah,
so many,
misconcept.
yeah, so they are thinking that the weak students take arts stream,
Yeah.
the average students take commerce stream,
Yeah.
and the brilliant students
Yeah,
they only
yeah.
take science stream. So, what's your opinion on that?
See-
Why people are thinking like that? Why people are categorizing the students on the basis of their intellectual power?
Yeah.
Why?
See, development is science is required for development. Okay.
Yeah.
But to run a society, to run a government official, to run a ministry, we need arts.
Arts, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Without history, without political science, we cannot survive.
Without economy.
Without economic knowledge, we cannot know the GDP of the country. We
Country,
cannot
correct.
we cannot determine the value of our country.
Correct.
So that's everything is important and everything is have different value. Okay,
Okay,
and on
okay.
its own basis. So there is no comparison between art science students, and there is one of the biggest misconception in our parents' mind. If our child is not good, so
Put
put
him
him in
in
arts
arts
background.
stream like that.
That is one of the misconceptions.
Yeah.
So we do not rely on basis of subject. We just have to focus on our skills. We just have to find that we are from arts background. No problem. I will learn that is good.
That skill,
If
okay.
I am good in app development, I will earn money by doing by making app.
Yeah.
That's it. Nothing. else.
Yeah, that's correct, Anand.
Yeah.
Okay, actually, we should focus our goals.
Goals.
Okay, we should focus our passion.
Passion.
Whatever it may be, it from commerce,
Yeah.
maybe it from arts,
Arts,
maybe
yeah.
it from science.
Yeah,
What do
yeah.
you say?
See, it's good. Suppose we are graduated from science background, you
Okay.
graduated from arts background, anyone graduated from any stream. Okay.
Okay.
So after graduation, what would you do? If you don't have a skill, you graduated from physics, you graduated from economics,
Yeah, okay,
chemistry.
okay.
What you do after graduation? If you don't have a skill, so try to acquire that skill. That
skill,
skill will
okay.
important for you. That
I think,
skill will shape your
yeah,
life.
shape your life. Means
Yeah.
it maybe put some rice
Yeah.
on your plate
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
some money in your
Yeah.
bank account.
Yeah,
What do you say?
Well, yeah.
Okay,
good.
so it's a nice conversation with
Yeah.
you. Definitely, we will talk with you more and more.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you.